Hi, my name is Kaya Martinson. I am a middle school art teacher in Wayzata Public Schools, and I just want to share with you a little bit about my thinking around the art standards. I'm a teacher who highly values process. I recognize that not all of our students will be using their artistic skills for the rest of their life, but all of our students will be using artistic processes, whether it be visual literacy or it be actual the process of getting dressed in the morning and using that process of thinking through an outfit or baking a cake or decorating their home, whatever that might look like, that they will be using artistic thinking, but they might not actually be like drawing or, sculpting out of clay. So, my goal as an art teacher is really to empower children. And I really believe that the empowerment happens through the process. And the standards directly align with this value system. So, if I think about how I can empower a kid to be a thinker, to be a decision maker, to justify their thinking, to think symbolically, that takes it out of just the skill set of making something that's beautiful, but actually empowers them to own their own process in the art classroom. And with the standards, the way that they are organized, especially now with the new connect piece, this connect piece of essentially like justifying thinking and making connections outside of themselves and making connections within themselves in all areas of the curriculum and all areas of that create process allows me to really in essence assess them differently. So I'm not just assessing on the create make portion, I'm assessing on all of their processes as an artist and as a thinker, as a creative thinker. So the standards help to empower me as a teacher who values empowerment and to therefore empower my students to not just be compliant in like, can you follow step one, step two, step three, but can you actually own your thinking and own your creativity and make important choices and then justify your thinking. So that's the way that the standards really impact me. Have a good day.